In my last video, I have shown you how you can use NFT to earn from online and how people are earning from it. Now, if you notice, most of the creators are having thousands of NFT content in their collection. So the question here, how they make it and get it. Now here in this video, I'll show you two methods to get all of them free. How you can make bulk amount of NFT in just a single click. So let's start. Here you can see that I have some files in my PC, and you are also going to need these files to make and generate your NFT collection. Now I will share the download link in the video first comment, so make sure you download it from there. Anyway, after you download and extract, you will see these files in this input folder. Now come over to this website, raremains.club. Sign up with your email, username and password. Then go for profile icon to your project and create a new project. Clicking on that plus group icon and give a name to your project. Hit enter to save. Now select your project name and create layers. Here, give the layers name order like this folders one by one. Create all layers folders. As we have 10 folders here, so we also going to create 10 layers. After you create layers, hit enter button on your keyboard to save them. Now click on any layer name and drag here the files that located in the same name folder in your PC. Do exactly I did here. Same task for all layers. Just drag and drop all files in each of the folder layers according to the name. After you finish uploading all files, click on generate image. Now it will ask you how many image here you want to create for yourself. As we are using a free account, so it's safe for us to go with just 100 for the first time. There is a similar website like Raremain is nft generator.art, where you can make up to 100 NFT content for free. Just simply drag and drop. After you download the files, extract and see all your image are ready. Each one is different from another. Now you think you want to have more variation on this, so just do like this. Go for any folder, select any file and make another and upload it in that particular folder by changing any color or customize it. Now here, this second method is for the most lazy person who want to do NFT. Why? Because in just one click from this website, multiavatar, you are able to create random avatar NFT and download it. There are over 12 billion random NFT avatar you can generate and download for yourself. Then if you want, you can modify them as you want. So my viewers, these are the two most unique NFT generators for the lazy persons but smart. Hope you like this video. Share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Have a great day.